Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for SGOT AST serum glutamic acetoacetic transaminase. This is used to test the liver profiling test. Over here you can find the code number 121172 and this kit consists of R1 SGOT AST reagent 5 into 22 ml, R2 SGOT AST reagent 5 into 11.7 ml, and this is a C certified product and this is compatible with Erba machines, and you can find the IVD marking over here. This should be stored in 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Now I am going to show you the side view of the pack. This is the side view. You can find the brand name over here, Erba Mannheim Excel system packs. To summarize it, this pack consists of R1 SGOT AST reagent 5 into 22 ml, R2 SGOT AST reagent 5 into 11.7 ml. This is the content overall present inside the pack. Thank you.